Assalamualaikum. Today we will discuss topic number 4 of chapter number 5, adaptation for insect and wind pollination. Now, first, the key concept that we will discuss in this topic, adaptation in insect pollinated flowers and wind pollinated flowers. Adaptation for insect pollinated flowers or entomopulous flower have the following characteristics. Entomopulous means that those flowers which are pollinated by insects. Such flowers are called entomopulous or insect pollinated flowers. First, adaptation. These flowers are brightly colored with large petals which produce fragrance that attract insects. Fragrance means pleasant smell. So, due to the release of fragrant smell and large petals, the insect come for food which is present in the form of nectars. So, nectars is the food present in the base of each petal, which is in the form of oily liquid. The pollen grains are sticky and would stick to the legs of insect to visit the flowers. So the pollen grains are sticky and attached with the legs of insect to visit flowers. The stigma of these flowers are sticky so that the pollen grains transfer are attached to these. For example, bougainvillea, rose, and calotropis are the example of insect pollinated flower. This is bougainvillea plant that pollinated by the insect. Here in this diagram, the insect visit to the flowers, and in these cases, the pollen grains attached with the legs of the insect, and pollination take place. Adaptation for wind pollinated flowers. Flowers that are pollinated with the help of wind have the following characteristic. These flowers usually lack fragrance or pleasant smell. The flowers do not produce nectars. Nectars are absent. Pollen grains are smooth, easily removable from the anther, small in size, easily transported by the wind. Some pollen also has wings which increase buoyancy. Buoyancy means the balance of pollen grain that keep floating in the wind. Their anthers are large and borne on large stalk. So the carpel have long style or stalk that borne large anther. The stalk or the filament of stamen is large or long and bear large anther. Flower appear before leaves. Pollen are produced in massive amount or large quantity to compensate for the excessive loss. So due to a possibility of loss in the wind of pollen grain, so large amount for this purpose, just like the external fertilizations take place in animals in water, so to compensate the loss of eggs in water, the fishes release or the frog release a massive amount of eggs. So similarly, the wind pollinated flowers also produce large quantity of pollen grains to compensate the loss of pollen grain in the wind. Most of these flowers are universal. Examples are conifers, grasses, cereals, poplar, oak, and walnut. Universal means that they are perennial, they are evergreen. And example are conifers, they are present in the universe, in nature, they are wild plant. Universal means mostly they are wild plant present in the forest. For example, conifers, means pine trees, grasses, cereals, poplar, oak, and walnut. So these are the example of wind pollinated flowers. This is a grass and this is a walnut, and these are the coniferous trees. all these plants pollinated by the wind. So this is all about adaptation for insect and wind pollinated flowers. So if you have any question, commit me. I will give answer. Thank you.